bit. And let the stuff get pulled in slowly. You have to go the other direction, right? Okay, there's a thumbtack. Oh, and that corner of the carpet's wet for some reason. Oh, also, if you end up vacuuming damp carpet, that can ruin your vacuum cleaner, so you want to be careful with that. When you're vacuuming your own house, you kind of know if you got your carpet wet recently, but if you're vacuuming someone else's carpet, they may not tell you, they just spilled a drink. And so be careful when you vacuum. Now, there's lots of stuff that's embedded in these carpets. It's been stuck down for so long and walked on so much, it's not going to come up with a vacuum brush roll. But we're going to scrub it with an Noric Orbiter and a carpet bonnet, and that's going to break things loose, and it's going to help restore the nap of the carpet. I can see the bins already getting really full, so there was a lot of dirt in this room too.
Oh yeah.
Our filter's probably getting a little dirty. We have the cyclone gasket is starting to wear out on this vacuum, so that means that the dirt can go straight to the filter, a lot of it. But as long as we're still getting the carpet to lift up, we got some airflow.
It's still working like a champ.
Yeah. This vacuum is not running at its full potential right now.
Now, I don't know if you can see it on video, but it's making a really good agitation line.
Now there's a good chance we'll have to do a post vacuum on this apartment. We'll have to see how it goes, and we may have to wait till the housekeeper is finished. All right, let's see.
Yeah, boy.
I already know the brush roll.
You did dump that out, didn't you?
Yeah, last time.
Oh, look at that. That's a sight.
Yeah. I'm gonna pause the camera.
We'll show them what's in the
Yeah, I'm gonna pause the camera for a second. I'm gonna dump this in the bag with the other stuff, and we'll show you what's in the total bag. So stay tuned.